Thank you again for joining. So today's discussion would be on the birthright citizenship, which the US Supreme Court heard the oral arguments. और उन्होंने ये oral arguments कल April 1st को सुने. I mean, it's quite a coincidence, right? Fool's Day, April's Fool Day, but still, it was not something to be mimicking about or making fun. It was a very serious day in court, जहाँ पे उन्होंने arguments सुने. और ये 14th Amendment में ये आज से कोई 150 साल पहले ये लॉ आया था, जबकि एक चाइनीज़ शख्स जो यूएस में पैदा हुआ था, तो उस वक्त था चाइनीज़ सेक्लूजन एक्ट. ये शख्स यूएस में पैदा हुआ था, ये गया है, वापस आता है, तो इससे ऑफिसर रोक लेता है कि नहीं, तुम यूएस सिटीजन नहीं हो. उस वक्त ये लॉ सूट फाइल करता है और उसके बाद से ये 14th अमेंडमेंट आई थी कि जिसमें उन्होंने कहा था कि हर वो शख्स, एवरी पर्सन हु इज़ बॉर्न इन द यूएस और हु इज़ बॉर्न इनटू द टेरिटरीज देयर ऑफ इज़ अ यूएस सिटीजन अदर दैन दोज पीपल हु आर डिप्लोमैट्स. A1G वीज़ा पे अगर आप हैं और आपके बच्चे यहाँ पैदा होते हैं, तो दोज आर नॉट US citizens because even that person is not subject to the jurisdiction. तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कल आर्ग्यूमेंट सुने हैं. They have not given out their judgment, लेकिन except for one justice, बाकी justices का जो रुझान था, well, they were questioning the attorney general and the law officers was more inclined towards the fact that this should not happen. What happens in terms of the final decision of the court, we yet have to see. Implication क्या होती है? Any person who is born in the US is considered a US citizen. अब US citizen का अगर हम ये कहें कि जी immediate फ़ायदा अगर कोई उठाता है, तो no, because if a child is born in the US, that child cannot give any immigrant benefit to any of his relatives until the child turns 21. So, if the child wants to give that benefit to his or her parents, his or her siblings, it's quite a long wait. To say कि जी यहाँ पे एक शख्स आया, उन्होंने अपना बच्चा पैदा कर लिया और उन्होंने कहा हम इससे फ़ायदा उठा लेंगे. In the interim, कोई फ़ायदा नहीं उठाया जा सकता. So, people who come to the US, they have their children over here. They do not only have a child over here, but slowly yet steadily they are contributing to the society as well. वो कर क्या रहे हैं कि वो यहाँ काम कर रहे हैं, अपना बिजनेस बना रहे हैं, अपना घर बना रहे हैं. ये तमाम तर चीज़ें कर रहे हैं जिससे रिपल इफ़ेक्ट हो रहा है यूएस इकॉनमी पे भी. सो टू से that they are only giving birth to a child and then making use of it, that is not the whole truth. Rather, there has been birth tourism in Florida for quite some time. There are some nationalities, what they do is they openly come to the US and they say, we're going to give birth to our child. But they do bring in their own medical insurance. They pay hefty fees in terms of living over here in lavish hotels. They pay their hospital dues. And then whenever they give birth, they make sure that do not have any financial liability on them. So in terms of that, the US still benefits because when people come, they are not taking any public benefits. So this birthright citizenship, this is something which is so deeply enshrined in the Constitution कि उसे निकाल देना by a stroke of a pen by a president, and that also by a presidential order. So there is no law because that's what it is. You have to go through the law process. You have to have a bill enacted, pass through both the houses, president उसे sign करता है, and then it becomes a law. तो यहाँ पे प्रेसिडेंट ट्रंप ने अभी तक जितनी भी कोशिशें की, दैट वाज मोर अबाउट बाईपासिंग कि जी मुझे इस पूरे प्रोसेस से ना जाना पड़े. व्हाट आई डू इज़ आई जस्ट बाईपास द होल प्रोसेस. आई यूज़ माय ओन presidential order, my right, my discretion, and I use that to do whatever I like. Still, this is the land of the laws. You cannot do something and just consider that no effects would happen. So, Alhamdulillah, there's a Supreme Court, there's a system of checks and balances. So even otherwise in law we have the legislature, we have the executive and we have the judiciary. इन तीनों का मकसद ही यही होता है, and this is so deeply enshrined in the constitution itself कि the system of checks and balances, ताकि these three organs, the executive, judiciary and the legislature, अगर एक कोई काम करती है तो दूसरी उसे रिव्यू करे, उसको चेक करे कि it is within the general framework of the constitution. So we have to see where this comes up. We are expecting a court iska faisla somewhere around summer karegi, and then we'll have to have a better understanding. But until that time, children who are born in the US are US citizens. क्योंकि इसकी implications कुछ ये भी आ रही थी कि if a child is born, how are you going to determine that the child is born of parents who are legal or illegal? फिर देर आर अदर इम्प्लीकेशंस. कोई एक ऐसा शख्स जिसका ग्रीन कार्ड की एप्लीकेशन पेंडिंग है तो वो कंसिडर होगा या नहीं होगा. कोई ऐसा शख्स जिसके खिलाफ रिमूवल ऑर्डर है. सो देर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स विच दे आर इम्पोजिंग ऑन न्यू बॉर्न चिल्ड्रन which is unnecessary and which is going to create more havoc, more problems for people instead of streamlining it. So we'll have to wait and see, and once that comes out, we'll be discussing that in a bit more detail. Thank you for joining. Allah Hafiz.